So one question I got about display posters are, do they stay on walls? Do they last a long time? So basically the mounting sometimes can fall off, and this is what happens. We get some scratches here and there. So as you can see, we did get a little bit of damage here and there on this border over a long period of time. And I've had this one for about 5 years. So basically the story was just one day, it just peeled off and it just fell. But most of the time, the mounting is pretty good. And this one stayed on the wall for quite a while now and done a pretty great job. So let's just try and pull this off. So that's how it is mounted. Basically, all you have to do is press and hold this protective leaf for like 5 seconds. Hold hand, and then put the magnet on top, press and hold it. But sometimes this leaf, it just sometimes comes off. But a lot of the time it stays on pretty well, and you have to put some heat on before taking it off, because the next question is, does it take the paint off? So what you want to do is use some heat. So you could use something like a hairdryer to put some heat on and then take it off. Just a fair warning about these posters. Yeah, they sometimes do, especially because I'm in Australia. Like, there's a lot of heat in rooms and stuff, and maybe moisture, so yeah, just be wary about that one. And just as we were making this video, what just happened was a Displate poster fell off the wall, but I do have to say it's been there for a very, very long time, so let's have a look. So these ones have lasted for a very long time. I haven't had one issue, and it's been here for about 1 year, but now just one fell off as we were making this video. Literally, this is what happened. So this is it just happened just now. So this one's just come off, and as you can see, it is because of the protective leaf. So yeah, just be wary about this, that maybe over time, it's been a few years now, and sometimes the stickiness just comes off. So this is the state of the poster after it's come off the wall. The only thing I really noticed, to be honest with you, is just this graze right here, but it does seem a-okay. But yeah, just be wary about this, that yeah, maybe sometimes over time, that protective leaf, it does come off, and just be wary about this. But I mean, in saying this, we've had it there for a very long time. It's been a few years now, and it's done a very good job since. It's just, for some weird reason, it's just come off now. So that's just strange, isn't it? So if this does happen, I don't recommend just putting this back on. I do recommend putting on a brand new set. So what you can do is actually go on the website and buy yourself a new one. So you just go to this page about wall mounting, and then go to the bottom and then just order a new pack. I'll probably get like a 9-pack or a 3-pack, depending on how many you have. For me, I might probably renew all of these wall mounts, so I'll probably end up getting this 9-pack right here, and it's not too expensive, and it doesn't take too long to come, so highly recommend it, guys. Thank you.